Have you used the Generate Images tool yet? This is an incredibly powerful feature that can support all of our learners in all of our classrooms. Check this out. When I go to the Generate Images tool, I'm offered a prompt box with a default and advanced mode, where I can write detailed instructions for virtually any image that I can imagine. For example, I want to make the explanation of a peer-to-peer interview activity a little bit easier to understand for my students, so I'll simply write a detailed prompt describing exactly what I want. And when I'm ready, I click generate, and holy cow, look at what it made us. Right now, we could probably think of 5 kids in each of our classes that could benefit from something like this. But we might also be thinking that we are not AI prompt writing experts, but we are experts in our content areas. So watch this. I could leverage the Brainstorm Ideas tool on the homepage of my Colleague AI dashboard to successfully create visuals for a complex geometry concept. This is called meta prompting, where I'll give the AI the expert role as the prompt specialist, and then I'll describe my content learning objectives, and I'll ask the AI to help me write a detailed prompt for an image generator that will create visual supports. It will provide a response that I can have dialogue with, and it does a good job guiding me around how I can customize it. And after I do this, I'll copy the prompt and I'll paste it into the image generator in order to create a visual representation around this mathematical learning of R value. For something this specific, it is really important to choose the advanced feature. The advanced feature supports high levels of complexity and supports text-rich images. I'll change the aspect ratio to 3:4 because I want to include this in a slide deck, and I'll also ask it to give me 2 images to choose from. Although if neither of these images come out how I want them to, I could always click generate again or simply go to the prompt and change the descriptions to match my needs. The results here are actually mind-blowing. This took me only a few minutes, and I made that protocol for a peer-to-peer interview way more comprehensible to everyone, and I visually supported students in grasping high-level math concepts. The image generator is part of our toolkit that will support all of our learners, whereas before, some of these learners may have struggled to imagine these concepts from simply reading text or listening to instructions. And so now it's your turn. Go play around with this. What visual supports will you make for your students today?